Yes, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and ito ang inyong monthly reading for April 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Hindi niyo na kailangan mag-message pa, or pwede kayo mag-book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. But kung gusto niyo malaman lahat ng information sa website ko, mrqueenph.com. Okay? Let's begin. Aquarius. What is the energy ngayong April for you? For Aquarius. Okay. Communication. So this is more on, getting with your thoughts. So yung iba sa inyo, maaaring may mga iisipin, mga importanteng bagay. This can be planning, no? May mga plans ka ngayong April na can be overwhelming, kaya susulat mo siya para at least mas madali mo siyang ma-identify, mas mamonitor mo yung progress mo because you are writing it down. Mercury is also about your connections with other people. So pwedeng ikaw ay mas magkakaroon ng new friends, new connections, reaching out. Meron ding pagkakataon na mailabas mo ang iyong mga iniisip. It's about expression, self-expression. Meron ding celebration dito, full moon. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong mga paano ba explain to? May mga tao kasi na hindi nila kayang ma-process yung emotions nila. It's either ayaw nila na may kausap or medyo matigas ang kanilang puso. But another way, no, subukan nyo to, hindi nyo to nagagawa, hindi nyo pa na to try, is to write down your emotions. Kung wala kang makausap, isulat mo siya. Parang, nagkakwento ka. Parang diary, ganyan. And, you keep the notebook, tago mo lang. Tapos, kapag okay ka na, basahin mo siya ulit. Tapos, marirealize mo na, merong something sa loob mo, something within you that will understand bakit mo yun nasabi, bakit, kahit ano, pwede mo isulat, kahit magmura ka pa. Kasi emotions mo yun eh. That's how you process it. And, kung okay ka na, basahin mo ulit. And, meron kang madidiscover sa sarili mo. And you will understand bakit mo yun naramdaman. Yung iba nga, ang ginagawa rin, lalo na kung meron silang gustong i-release, after writing down yung mga emotions nila, nararamdaman nila, gusto nila sabihin, sinusunog nila yan tuwing full moon. That's how you release that emotion. And after that, you will feel better. Oh, 'di ba? Air energy, sabi na sa inyo connection with others. So ngayong April, you will gain new friends, new connections. Maaring mas lalabas ka, magso-socialize ka, a-attend sa mga parties or mga events na magkakaroon ka ng chance of, meeting new friends, acquaintances. Yung iba, pwedeng kayo ay may retreat na pupuntahan. You have the 7 of Swords. Oh, kaya naman pala. Oh, 'di ba? Aquarius, ang dami niyong mga naitagong diyan, sama ng loob or transformation for you, Aquarius. This makes sense kasi alam niyo naman, si Pluto nasa Aquarius. Grabe. I'm sending you love and understanding. Aquarius. Meron kasing energies of betrayal around you. na parang naisip mo, bakit ganon? Even if you think nagawa mo yung best mo. And, people are just making drama or sila yung nagiging reasons, no, of your sadness sometimes. I think this is something na aalis ka sa sitwasyon na yan. Yung iba sa inyo, like a group of friends that you feel like very toxic na sa buhay nyo. Or even a family member, like, yeah, you want to take a rest. Gusto mo magpahinga. Gusto mo mag-heal from that. And part of your transformation and change is your healing. May mga ika-cut off ka na tao sa buhay mo, mga nanloko sa'yo, mga hindi naging totoo sa'yo, nag-take advantage ng kabutihan mo. And that is your way of releasing them. But, you know what? Sabi nga releasing or letting go of things or people around you, yan yung magbibigay sa'yo rin ng opportunity, ng like a new space for new things, for new people, new connections sa buhay mo. With the Two of Cups. So, whatever this is that you're going through, pwedeng nararanasan mo na yan ngayon or pwedeng maranasan mo ngayong April, just remember na after all of these chaos and problems, ay magiging maayos din naman in the end. Okay? May mga bagay lang talaga na kailangan natin pagdaanan because of the lesson that we will have to learn. Some of you will also pursue your passion. Yung mga bagay na gusto nyong gawin, dahil sa freedom na meron kayo, you will also achieve something, achieve your goals and dreams that can be related sa passion mo, what you really want. And then, some of you, kung relationship, romantic connection yung naging issues ninyo, I think, kaya kayo magre-release ng connection is because yun yung magbibigay ng daan para makilala mo yung soulmate mo or someone who is really destined for you. It comes with time and practice. So, may mga pagkakataon na if you feel insecure, you feel like parang you're not good enough. But you know what? Lahat naman ng mga tao, nagsimula yan sila sa pagiging noob. Or yung tipong walang alam sa una, 'di ba? Nagiging confident sila the more they practice, the more they put in the work doon sa kanilang passion. So, if you're passionate about something, pursue mo lang, okay? Pursue mo lang kasi magiging expert ka rin dyan. And at the same time, you have to be honest with yourself na ano ba talaga yung totoong gusto mo. Kasi minsan, may mga bagay na ginugusto tayo para sa iba, hindi dahil sa atin talaga. Okay? So, this is you being authentic sa sarili mo. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.